There's not a great deal of difference between retirement and work for Dr. Phil Hill.
We're looking right here at measurements of the total hydrocarbons in parts per million.
After 22 years as a mechanical engineering prof at UBC, he retired in 1997.
It's very easygoing and can give you some insight into your problems.
He's really good at motivating people and bringing out people's strengths.
11 years later, the Professor Emeritus still spends long hours doing what he loves most of all, research and mentoring.
Maybe one of the greatest driving forces in my work is to have the pleasure of working with people who are alert and alive and motivated and fast learners. They've been my teachers to a great extent.
His quiet intellectual leadership made him a pioneer in using natural gas in diesel engines.
What we're looking at here is a heavy-duty diesel engine that's been heavily modified for research purposes.
A breakthrough that could have enormous environmental and economic benefits. His initiatives helped create Westport Innovations to commercialize his invention.
I have the fun of working on technical ideas while other people are carrying the heavy load of management, administration, and engineering professors love to be closely linked with practical applications.
I think it's so important. We want to make absolutely sure we can replicate it.
They love to see applications go from the laboratory into commercial use.
Dr. Hill's invention may soon be coming to a street near you.
Target lifetime for these engines in practice, the overhaul lifetime is approaching 1 million miles. And its one problem has been in the pollution in the emissions area. And so we're working on trying to get down to extremely low emissions. And using natural gas is a great fuel to work with in this respect. And our feeling was that save the engine and change the fuel would be a good way to go.
A member of the board and Senate of Regent College Theology, the environmental and social benefits of his work are a reflection of his deep concern for his community and the continuing interaction between science and his Christian faith.
It's really interesting, I think, to examine what the scientists are finding out and then think about the insights that come from theology and Christian faith and to give us an integrated view of reality.
As an outstanding scholar, researcher, teacher, and innovator, and an exemplar of the highest standards of his profession and community, Dr. Philip Hill is a deserving winner of APEGBC's highest honor, the R.A. McLachlan Memorial Award.